back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason, aka Wildman Cobra, aka Mr. Yoisa, aka Mr. Haozhongguan, aka No Smoking here. Alright, we've just come to some kind of historic wall. We're in the city of Guiyang again, back again in Guiyang City, the capital city of Guizhou province. And this seems to be some kind of historic wall. I don't know all the details yet. Hold on, I'll get you all the details. Stay tuned. I'm getting a little bit out of breath from all these steps. Oh, there's a temple up there. Let's look out this window. Interesting. I guess this is kind of like the wall in Xi'an. There's a guy flying a kite there.
There's no wind.
It's not, I don't think it's that. It's not very windy yet. To fly a kite. Is it going to hit them over the head with it? Whoa, where's the wire? Why is so close to those two? So this is a temple or a wall? There's a temple over there. If anyone can explain, that's a nice view of Guiyang here. Some kind of tower over there. I deeply apologize that I'm not very informative. I didn't do my research before starting to record. Oh, this kite's pretty high. What is that? Some kind of cat's kite. Where's the cable? Or the wire? The line? I don't want to get decapitated by this kite line. Just looking over the wall. Let's look over the wall too.
A restaurant
just the back of a restaurant. And an alleyway. Interesting. There's the roof. There's a kite flyover. What if he gets it like tangled on the top of the temple? Oh, there's another kite flyover over there. Another kite enthusiast. Should we walk around the edge of the wall then?
No, I don't want to walk around in front of the wire.
In front of their wire? So can you tell us anything about this wall?
No, I never saw it. Just when we drove past, I saw it.
I think they're having a kite competition. Trying to see who has the longest wire. So high. Ah, it has a chair. I think that's the kite guy's chair. It says running on the chair. There's a banana tree there. I can tell you something. I can tell you something informative. Whoa. Some strange jungle down there. I can tell you something informative. Now that is a banana tree. I deeply apologize that I have absolutely no information about this wall structure. I don't even know even if it is indeed a wall. Oh, it's a dead end down there. There's some kind of archway down there. If anyone knows, leave in the comments below. There's a dead end down there. Wow, this is a very interesting video. And that building there, I think that's the Sofitel Hotel. Pretty nice hotel. Anyway,
I think we could go down from here.
let's look over this side. Ah, just the road. I'm not gonna lie. This wall so far, it's not that interesting. Dare I say it? Dare I say it? 没意思. 没意思 indeed. 没意思 is I'm not interested, yeah? Or not bothered? 没意思. Did we walk that? Oh, we just walked that way, did we? Interesting. Should I just slide down there? Slide down there just for the views. The journey continues around this historic site that I have no idea. Some chefs shouting. I have no idea what this historic site is. If anyone knows, then help me out. It's open. Apparently it's open 9 till 5.
Temple built 1596.
It was built when? It was built in 1596 if you can read Chinese, and then you can just read that there. Interesting. No smoking. Okay. Right, let's go inside. Ah, they also have here, please wait outside a noodle. You saw it? Very informative. Please wait outside a noodle. Oh, do you have to scan in?
戴好口罩。
口罩。哦，好吧。马上。身份证。You even need your ID. Put my mask on. I've only got one hand. Ow.
Where's your ID? You retarded somehow. Where's your ID?
Right, so we just came into this. This is the main attraction. Apparently, you have to put your mask on. Mask on for the main attraction and sign in. Right, so we're inside now. So this was built in 1556, was it? No dogs, no smoking. No cameras. Interesting. Is that it? Oh, there's some steps there.
This is like.
Is this the original?
Oh, this is the original thing, actually.
That's the original thing?
Yeah, this is like.
This one,
temple was donated by people, yeah. Even it's not in money, it's in silver, like thing.
They're talking about what?
Currency.
They're talking about silver,
like,
on here.
Whoever, like, like Jason donated like $10, whatever. Things like that. It's the original one, even.
This is original.
Oh, clear.
Can you touch it?
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
If it's original, don't touch it.
I deeply apologize for trying to touch this ancient artifact.
This one's the original.
I don't think is this one. This one can't be original. Looks like
That one is,
cement.
Qing Dynasty.
Qing Dynasty.
Yeah.
Wow.
1987. I think this is the
I'm not
oldest one.
gonna lie. I'm not exactly an expert on the Qing Dynasty
Oh, are they?
or any
It's
dynasty.
like they're worn out. I just left it like this. Hope they have a copy of it.
This one, it looks like a. Is this one a real one as well?
Yeah.
So
This
what
one
does
is-
the writing say?
It's just like donation.
Donation. What do you mean?
This is a
It's
list
talking
of
about
people who
donation.
Donated.
Donated what to the temple?
Yeah. To build a temple.
To build the temple.
It's a list of these names. and how
Just
much they donate.
just confusing everyone here. Mumble
This
it.
is a list of the
Ju-
names that people donate money to build this temple.
Just
original one.
mumbling and jumbling in this video. Just mumbling and jumbling once again in this video. I'm confusing everyone.
I don't care actually.
I guess it's my fault anyway.
So original. Everything.
The walls are definitely original here. Let's put you through one of these little peepholes. Wow. Oh, you can't go. I thought you'd be able to go up those little steps. You can't go up, can you? Oh, there's a barrier. Huh? Ah, there seems to be a little barrier. Shall we jump over the barrier? Yeah. So that's it then. Oh, you can go around here. Can we peep through these doors? Interesting. Some kind of map inside there. Guess these are also original, are they? Let's get a close-up look at them. Qing Dynasty.
康熙31岁。
31岁.
One of the emperor in China.
Very interesting. I'm not gonna lie here, I'm not exactly a history expert. I'm more of a burger expert myself. Jiao can't see over the wall. There's a birdie there. Haters gonna say this temple's CGI. Haters gonna say the skyscrapers are CGI. What plant is this? If anyone knows, leave in the comments below. I almost just fell over. I almost just fell over for no reason at all. The ground is completely flat. I wonder how old this tree is then. Do you think this tree is as old as the temple? We can indeed touch the tree, can we? Hello there, young fellow. I'll call you Dave. Hello there, Dave. Dave the tree. So this temple was built in like 1556, and I think it's a kind of a Buddhism temple, and I deeply apologize for this kind of misinformation that I'm giving out here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a history expert. There's a map there. I think that's it. There's an umbrella rack there, first aid. Some water there. And this is where you signed in. Okay, now we're heading out. We're just going over these. Please wait outside a noodle. Please wait outside a noodle. Okay.
This kind of temple, I just checked it. Says
Jia has some information for us. Everyone listen now. Here we go. This kind of temple.
So this temple, I think this kind of temple is called Wenchangge.
Wenchangge.
Yeah, the Buddha there is the Buddha that's especially like you pray to this Buddha, so you pray to
the Buddha.
Go to university and do like.
Oh, so this kind of like Buddha represents like a education,
scholar thing, like
scholarship, education. Oh, there's someone taking a picture.
Scholar education thing. So I guess it's like.
Can we go this way? Oh, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This temple is to like you come here if you're trying to get your kid into a certain school.
So I pray my kid goes to Tsinghua University, Beijing University,
best university in China. Interesting temple then. And that's about it. And then there's a banana tree jungle there. Wow. There's the temple. Right, so just a little short video for you. Alright, let's end this video. That's the end of this video. More adventures coming soon from the streets of Guiyang City, the capital city. I'm signing straight off. Signing off now. Signing off. See you in the next one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that history lesson. It was very, very informative indeed. Now, back to the streets. Back. No, actually, I'm signing off. What am I talking about? Back to the streets. Signing off. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Next video coming soon. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope that Santa Claus brings all the presents that you want.
The kite is like caught on the...
I told you so. Just like I said, the kite's... Oh no, it's almost caught on the roof of the temple. I would have thought they would have banned kite flying in this area. And the guy's run out of power on his scooter. Alright, now I'm truly signing off. See you in the next one, guys. Signing off. Bye. Signing straight off.